Hello everybody, today I would like to talk a little bit about myself. My name is No, I'm 16 years old. I'm single. I'm living in Puer district, Vientiane province. Nowadays, I'm studying English with teacher Shua. I have been studying English with teacher Shua for 3 months. We study 1.5 hours per day and 3 days per week. In this class, our teacher teaches us about grammar, making sentence, and practice speaking. He always reminds us not to be shy while we are speaking English. So I really try to do like what he said because I really want to get good English in the future. As myself, I love English so much because English is international language. In the future, I want to be an English teacher to teach English for those who don't know English. That's why I spend my time to study English right now. So now I want to tell about my high school. I'm studying in high school in grade 6. After high school, I will go to study at the university. I hope one day I can achieve my goal. So now my speech is coming to the end, and for those who support me until the end here, if you see my English is wrong, please correct me and forgive me also because I just a learner and I want to practice my English speaking skill only. So now I wish you to have a bright life, get healthy and happy with your family forever. Don't forget to like and share it. Thank you.